Welcome back, everybody. Been getting off the gaming stuff lately because been going through some pretty big changes around here. I've moved house, well, nearly finished. That's what today's about, and I've got to go pick the Civic up. So figured today was a better day than most to film.
It's a beautiful day,
and at least something half exciting and decent to film and show you guys. Speaking of, I want to give you a quick tour of the little office that I've set up at my new place. Little bit of a mess at the moment, but got the obligatory plants everywhere. A few bits and pieces still need to sort out. Louise's bike. My wee little office setup with a nice little window out to see that little rat bag who's whinging because someone just got put outside. Poor sausage. That's the shaking. Oh, sausage. All coffeed up, breakfast up, and got the trailer booked in for 10:30. Borrowed my uncle's car to, because his can actually tow. And yeah, let's go set that up. Here we have the mythical beast, which most importantly has that. All on and done, just got to grab a spanner and tighten that up, and probably get some pliers and just kind of nip these up a little bit, and we'll be good. Sick. He's been warned. Good lad. All saddled up and ready to go. Let's get it! What do you need a glove box for? Nah, don't worry about it.
You sure make me feel like bashing limiter. You sure make me feel like going home to put nitrous on. You sure make me feel like a big idiot. You sure make me feel like needing to poo.
Alrighty, we are here to pick up the trailer. Got it just sitting waiting over there. We're a little bit early for the booking, so hopefully I can sweet talk the lady into letting me take it, and then we can just finish the booking a little bit earlier as well, because I booked for like 9 hours anyway, which is plenty for one car. Yeah, let's get it.
Great success.
Alrighty, time to work out, I don't know, 66, 88. Yeah, buddy. Not bad for first time. Hell yeah. Just noticed something, I think whoever dropped this off. Oh dear. Someone's been hitting the walls. Now always bring your camera when you're towing, because then you can cheat and use your camera as your checker for all your lights. That's when you remember to connect the damn cable. I just did a quick light check. Turns out that cable was cactus, so we've changed it over for another one. All sorted now. Let's go get the Civic. This dusty, crusty nugget. Oh. Yeah, buddy. That's the new engine. Super special. It's got to go in there because apparently seating is not an option for engine base. Yuck, who did this? Hot tip, it was me. We also have assorted goodies in here. Multiple gearboxes. One has LSD. And just door card and random Junko passenger seat. That's not the actual driver's seat still. Got a steering wheel again though, that's cool. Yeah, it's a mess. Oh, non-ABS proportioning valve. Mugen. Fire extinguisher that's 100% out of date. So much grot. Yuck.
Dirty.
Traffic cones. Oh, and I had to take the window out so I could fix a different EK, or I use the regulator out of this car. Oh, that reminds me, I've got to still fix that, eh? Well, this isn't getting stored outside. Now we just wait for Benny. Cause I ain't pushing this on my own because I'm slack. Because I'm an impatient child, I'm just gonna push it out on my own. Oh, good lord. The ultra cool camber really isn't helping. And I'm also wondering if we should wait and put that in first. Yeah, actually, let's make room. Whoops. So I moved out some of the junk. Old exhaust. Headlight fell out, whoops. Pop some of that down so engine's not just sitting on the bare metal. And yeah, let's get this sucker on a hoist. Now because I'm an adult, I don't have any actual bolts and stuff still here because they've all gone back to the other house. But we're going to try and strap around here. And for ease, we're just going to leave this all attached. And probably just strap it from under here or under one of the arms or something. And lift it in because it's just going to go straight back on this stand when it gets to the new house anyway. So yeah, let's get to it. So I managed to get it up on a strap. Wrapped it around the prongs at the back that are bolted onto the engine. And just did a little loop around the engine mount on this side. Yes, it's probably wrong. Yes, it's probably going to bend. I'm really quite concerned about those sensors there, but doesn't seem to be putting any pressure on either of them, so meh. All good. Let's get it in. Look who finally decides to show up. What do you got?
Raised cat bits.
Fuel pressure reg.
Yep.
Num nums.
Gauge fittings and
Where's that airflow meter?
this is it here.
Seriously, is it that small?
Yep.
Oh, it's just the actual. See, the pic you sent me before looked like a massive tube
No,
because it was heaps close.
no, 35 GTR AFM.
Very nice. Are you supposed to be touching that with your fingers?
Yeah, it'll be fine. As long as I don't touch those bits.
Yeah, it'd be fine.
That's what she said.
All for a patrol.
2 trolls. Oh, cool. That's so good. Yeah, dude, stop it. I've ruined it.
Yeah, this is $500 worth.
Guess how much my Nissan cost? $500.
I just done as fucking get it.
Sorry, say that again? You put how much money into a patrol and it doesn't even go off road?
18k.
You know the definition of a baller. That's me.
Except it's a Maverick.
It is. Yep.
So you get the lovely privilege of rolling around with a Ford badge and just annoying everybody.
But just remember, when it's finished, I can have another patrol on the back of it and still beat your Civic in a drag.
We'll have to go to Mexico and find out, shall we? Right, push, honky. Wow, you're actually doing it. That was just me being a turd.
Why does the ramp say missed?
Because if you can see it, it means you missed the ramp.
You missed the whole way up.
I missed. Why you gotta be rude? How do I get roped into the bench? I don't know, you just started doing it, and I was like, oh. Alright, we're all loaded up, strapped up, ready to hit the road. Let's go! Woo! Not a bad job on the park. Woo! Let's get this off. Turns out it fits in quite well. Plenty of room down one side. And still got some more manoeuvring to do, but a fair bit of room up the front still, so I could definitely still fit benches over here and then have some space to move in between the front of the car, probably even with the bumper on, because the bumper only would have sat out about here anyway. Cool beans. Smile. Hi mum. You come back to help, or are you nicking off?
I want to go work on my shit.
Oh, I got R35 parts, I want to go put them on my car. Beach. Standard things. Love you, boy. Why are you like this? Alrighty, Civic is all loaded up, all good to go. We've got the trailer hooked up back in. We've got to go do a second run to go pick up my workbench and a few other bits and pieces. Bye Benny, you big homo. And yeah, more work to go. Alrighty, as you can see behind me, managed to get everything in just about. Gotta clean up some straps, but yeah, we'll get there. Managed to get the workbench right next to the Honda. It actually fits quite well. Still enough gap to get down, which is nice. Stuff is absolutely everywhere.
Dirty.
But that's soon to change. Gonna get this space all back here filled up properly. Use those pallets to make a bed. Then have a workbench going the entire span across the back and cupboards all across that back wall, I reckon. And some lighting, because probably can't tell too well from this camera, but the lighting in here is not the best. So, been a big day. Managed to get the car back, which is awesome. We'll probably put a pause on the Honda and keep working on making this space a workable space, get some lighting in, get shelving and storage, and get all this stuff away so that we can actually focus attention on the Honda properly. And I'll be filming all of that for all of you guys to come along with me. So thank you very much. Tune in next time, and peace.
This is why I'm high.